beautiful souls. So sometime last year, I received friend mail from Christine, who is Shabby Pink House. And I had did a video. I don't know what happened to that video. That video when it ghosted. It got ghosted somehow because I can't find it. I'm like, where is that video? So, unfortunately, I won't have the same reaction as I did in the first video. However, the sentiment is still the same. So, originally, she was only supposed to send me this beautiful stamp that I fell in love with when I saw one of her videos. And when I asked her where did she get it from, she told me that it was from a magazine. So you know that if it's from a magazine, it is a subscription and it's not sold anymore. She was so kind-hearted that she was willing to depart and gift it to me. I said, oh my God, like seriously? You really gotta depart with this? Look how gorgeous this stamp is. And you know that I am a fashion designer, although I'm not currently practicing it now. But this is very close to my heart. And then it's vintage. Okay? So she sent me this along with other beautiful things. And you know, it's very shabby, from Shabby Pink House, so the name says it all, right? So she also made this beautiful card. Look how gorgeous this is. And I'm still in love with it, and I'm still in awe with it. And she sent me like these two other greeting cards like in the past few years. And you know, if we keep receiving cards, we're going to run out of space to put them. So I decided that for the cards that I absolutely love, you know, that I don't want to give away, especially something like this. I'm not giving this away. You kidding me? It's gorgeous, and it sings to my heart because it is very shabby. And she's super duper talented. I freaking love her style. Like, to pieces. I love her style. So I decided, well, you know, I don't have a lot of space because I do share my craft studio with my living room. So obviously I don't have a lot of space to display all these beautiful cards. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take the cards that I do have and make a journal out of them. These will be beautiful as journals, even just one card, and you fill it up with paper, you know, and you make a journal out of it. You make different signatures out of each card, and you you know, and you put papers inside, you know, so you can journal on. I don't want to show you what you know, what she wrote to me, but yeah, isn't that a awesome idea? I thought of this last year, the year before, I don't remember. I still haven't done it, but I'm definitely going to make journals with these beautiful cards, okay? So she sent me this. Beautiful. And then she sent me this, which is in time for Valentine's. I don't really do shakers, but maybe one day I'll make one. So this is all Valentine themed shakers, and she like I said, it was sometime last year. I think it was in the summertime maybe that she sent me these beautiful things, and then she put it in this box that she altered. Isn't that pretty? Her crafts surely lives up by her name. Shabby Pink House. You rock, girl. So that was in here, and I'm keeping the box because it's too pretty. Okay, so that was that. And then she wouldn't be Christine or Shabby Pink House if she didn't send me this bag filled with trims and lace. Okay, like my girl, she knows me. She also knows me just like my friend Ida. Look how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to use this? It's so pretty. And I used some of her trims that she has sent me in the past. I haven't used them all because I don't want them to finish. I don't want them to finish. So, but look how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And I know, being a fashion designer, these things are not cheap because they have sequins on it. This is bridal trim. And it has sequins. It has beads. Wow, it has the barrel beads, the regular round beads, and then the sequins. And these are sewn by hand. Okay? So I know this was not cheap by any means. I warmly appreciate your kindness, Christine. I warmly appreciate it. This is, oh my God, this is so gorgeous. And then look how pretty this one is. She used these in her cards before. And she used this in this dress, in this bustier that she actually made from scratch out of paper using the Doily Dreams paper collection that I had created a few years back. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I love this. Thank you. Thank you so much. And then this beautiful trim, and it's so pretty in pink. Look at this. It's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? So she sent me that. This is about a yard or so. And then this one, I love this trim. I have it, and I like to keep a stash of it because I love dangling these on my projects. I think she knows that too. So thank you, because now I have extra. And then she sent me this one tied in seam binding. This is one of my favorite trims as well. Come on, focus, focus. There it is. One of my favorite trims as well. And then, of course, she wouldn't be Christine if she didn't wrap it beautifully. So she had everything wrapped in the pretty pink tissue paper, and then she tied it with seam binding. I don't know where I put that one, but I definitely saved it because I'll be reusing it, and this as well. So there it is. Shabby Pink House, Christine, in its full glory. She's like super talented. And she inspires me. My friend Ida inspires me. There's so many of you that inspire me immensely. So there it is. Please check her out. If you don't know who she is, I will link her channel in the description area. Okay, so check her out. Isn't this gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So before I go, so I can get on with my day, and so that you can get on with your day, I want to share a card that my friend Paints and Glitter created. She's super talented. She sent me this for this past holiday for 2022, and her detail work is really, really good. She paints her stamps. Well, she colors in her stamps, and she does different things with it. She uses her Copics, her colored pencils. She glitters it up really pretty, and then she adds all these extra details to her cards. Like, her cards are really well thought out, and she always stamps them as well. She's super talented in her mini albums and her embellishments. Please check her out. I will link her channel. Well, her channel is linked in the description area. Okay, and then I'll share her previous cards that she sent to me before. I believe this is hers. I believe this is hers. because of the way that it looks. There's no stamp. She usually stamps it. I don't know what happened this time. I believe this is her. If this is not you, Raquel, I'm so sorry, and I don't know who this is from because there's no stamps. But I'm almost positive she created this for me. And then look at this cutie patootie. Isn't that pretty? Look at her coloring. Oh my. It's really pretty. And I can tell she used color pencils with this and her Copic markers. See? She stamps her stuff. So this is how I know that it's hers. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for stopping by to watch somebody's friend mail. It's not like a crafting project or anything. So I appreciate you stopping by just to see the beautiful friend mail that I received. Viewing the video, does help my channel. So I appreciate it. And please thumbs up too, because that also sets off an algorithm for my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for joining me today. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. I wish you all well-being and take good care.